Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet MFP M30w printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't really matter which one, and you want to type in HP LaserJet MFP 30w support. Go ahead and select that. And now you want to go down to HP LaserJet Pro MFP M30w printer software and drivers. Open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down and select the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w/M29w/M30w/M31w printer full software solution and download. And then once it's downloaded to your system, you want to go ahead and open up that file to run it. And then just give this a moment to extract here. And if you receive a user account control prompt, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc., select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard of getting it configured for your device. If there's any optional software that you want to install alongside your printer here, you can, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.